uh, Welcome back to our new video. In today's video we are going to learn a simple basic Linux command. Before that we have to install something called git bash. This is the git bash. uh, Go to your browser and download git bash uh, uh, on your on your on your operating system. After that you install it. We are going to come to your search bar and search for git. After that, this is our git bash, and let's open our git bash. After we open our git bash, we are going to start with a basic command, which is ls. What ls mean? Ls is help us to get to display all the content for files and folders in our current working directory or in our computer system. Let's write this command and see how it works. When we set ls, then we should click enter. It display all the content files and folder in our working directory. uh, that's how ls work. uh, Another thing we are going to look out to it is cd. What cd mean? Cd, it help us to change our working directory or to enter any kind of directory we need to enter. Let's try this command and see if we are going to enter a directory called desktop. This is the directory called desktop. We are going to just set a cd and set desktop. After that we should click enter. Mashallah, we are now in a desktop directory. Let's clean this bit to see it clearly. In order to clean your environment, you are wanted to use clear command to clean your environment. Let's clean this environment. The next thing we are going to look for to it is to check our current working directory. In order to check our current working directory, we are wanted to use a command called pwd. Pwd help us to check our current working directory, which directory are we in and which directory are we working on it. Let's try this command and see. It said we are in user desktop. We are in desktop directory. We are working in desktop directory now. uh, and our last command we are going to look to it is something called cat. What cat mean? Cat help you to display files or to display content of a file you need. Let's check our desktop files and content to see which the files are we going to test with it. Let's say ls. After that we are going to set cat. When we say cat, let's check which files are we going to use this now. Let's use whatsapp.link to check it. Let's say whatsapp, sorry, whatsapp dot link. Let's click enter. It says no such file or directory. How comes? Because it is not a file, it's just a link for downloading. Let's try creating a new files to test with it. In order to create a new file, we are going to use command called touch. Touch help us to create any kind of files we need in our Linux machine. Let's say touch, and let's say index.html. Let's click enter. After that, we have created this folder files. Sorry, we are going to test with it. We are going to set cat index.html and test with it. We are now in index.html files. We Our index.html file store nothing. That's why it don't display any kind of content to us. This is at the end of our first training in Linux shells and command. If you have any question, please drop a comment, like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.